एक और तरीके का क्वेश्चन जो यूपीएससी पूछ चुकी है पास्ट में, दैट दे विल सिंपली आस्क यू, इन योर ओपिनियन, which are the 5 most important values of a public servant should possess and why? Why is very important. They may also ask you to rank certain values. And why do you put integrity as first and compassion as second, or compassion as first or integrity as second? They may ask you that. Again, UPSC does not have any fixed order कि आप impartiality को ही first पे लिखें, ऐसा नहीं है, या integrity को ही first पे लिखें, ये आपकी choice है. But the way you justify to the examiner is very important. So therefore, one homework exercise for you people is that go back, think about 10 values which you think are important for you in your life. 10 values that you truly believe in, that any individual should showcase, irrespective of whether they are a civil servant or not. And then think about the why part. Why is integrity important to me? Why is compassion important to me? Why is impartiality important to me? Why is dedication to service important to me, or dedication to work important to me? So think about that, one. Secondly, think about, again, ideally if you were a civil servant, what 5 values do you think you should have as a civil servant, which are non-negotiable in every situation and circumstance? And why those values only? And then another third thing you should also do, you should think of examples from your own life of when you have showcased that particular value. आपने कब एम्पैथी दिखाई, या कंपैशन दिखाया, या इंटेग्रिटी दिखाई, या सेल्फलेसनेस दिखाई, या करेज दिखाई? You have to think of those examples as well.